Hi beauties! Thank you for joining my channel today. Today I will be talking about 4 hair types. It is very important to find out what your hair type is so that you can get the best products for your hair. Now, what are the different 4 hair types? The first one is straight hair, which is a 1 to a 2B. The second hair type is wavy to curly hair, which is a 2A to a 2C. The third type is curly to kinky, which is a 3A to 3C. The fourth is kinky to coil, which is 4A to 4C. Now, how do you find out what is your hair type? Simple. Get you a spritz bottle, put some water in it, spritz your hair just a little bit, and squeeze it like you're squeezing a sponge. Squeeze it. You might have to do this a couple of times, but once you squeeze it, you should start to see your hair transform into its natural state. When it does that, then you will see exactly how your hair course is. I will have a picture in this video so that you can relate back and forth to find out what your hair type is. Now, this is very important. Once you find out what your hair type is, now you can pick the best products for your hair. Your hair may like more water-based products than oil-based, or your hair may love more oil-based than water-based. That is why it's very important to find out what your hair type is. Well, with that being said, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more beauty and hair tips. Love, light, and peace.